working on categories and brands. If someone clicks any of the category or the brand, so products associated with that category or brand should be displayed on the main page. For this purpose, we need to go to the functions page basically and create some more functions. First of all, we will add some conditions to this function get pro 1. We'll say if is not set. For if is not set, we always use the exclamation sign and then is set. That's mean if is not set. If it's not set, $_get get. If is not set, we have just added this exclamation sign with before the is set, so that's mean if is not set. If is set and if is not set. If is not set category, we will add this category URL variable to that link with the category basically. So we say if that is not set, then run this whole thing, and we'll close the curly bracket here below this function. Sorry, before the function. And with that, we'll also say if is not, if exclamation sign, if is not set also $_get and 2 square brackets. If is not set, brand. Again a curly bracket, and we will close it here. Yes, I have closed this curly bracket here. So now basically we have added two conditions. If category cat variable is not active and brand variable is not active, then show and run this whole script for displaying the products. Now I just saved them, and we will also go to index page basically. Can open the index page, e-commerce, and this is the index page. The details page we will close it. So this is the index page, and sorry, the cats are here in the functions. Yes, here is the link of the categories. So we had given a demo link, I mean a temporary link with hash sign. Now we will just say index.php, and we will create a variable URL with question mark, and we'll equal it to cat, and that will be is equal to cat ID, which is coming directly from the table using fetch array. Here you can see this is saved in the local variable cat_id. So we have created the cat variable, and that is equal to this variable, and the while loop is running. So whatever category you will click, that will pick up its own ID, specific ID. Control S to save, and the same thing we will do with the brands. Very simply, page will be the same index page, index.php and question mark, and after that brand. This will be equal to $brand_id. That's it. Control S to save. Now come here and refresh the page, and you will see when you mouse over here on the categories, so you can observe here this is laptop and cat is equal to 1, cameras is equal to 2, mobile is equal to 3, computers, iPads, and similar, iPhone is equal to 6, and same is that for brands. So the links are picking its own IDs. So when we click this, so there must be products relevant to this category or this brand. So I click this, so there is no I clicked a category, so there is nothing. If I click brand, there will be nothing, because we have actually given the condition inside the get pro function. You can see, so there will be nothing. Now we can create another another function. Just copy this whole function and we will paste it twice. Before the okay, copy this whole. We'll remove the unnecessary things, unnecessary code. Just Control C to copy, and here below this we will just paste it. Once I have pasted it, I will remove the brand one, and also will remove its curly bracket from here, and I will say very simply, if a set get, I will remove this exclamation sign, so now it will become if s set get get. So at that point I will just get ID, get underscore ID is equal to dollar underscore get, and inside this square brackets I will get that ID, which is bringing by the get. When someone will click that category, any of the categories, so a link will be active and the address bar, a dynamic URL will be created. So after that we came here and say that get underscore get pro. We will change these all variables, and this time we will say select from products, where product underscore get is equal to this get underscore ID. That's very simple. This one we are talking about, and we are saying that see inside the products table and only display or bring those products which is having this product underscore get ID, which is matching with this category ID which we have in the URL variable. When someone clicks any of these categories link, you can see here this is bringing its own ID. So we are catching that ID basically using the get method, and we are saving that in a local variable get underscore ID, which we are using here in the where condition. So after that, really simple, we said run get underscore pro, and here get pro, just changing, and here we will say row get underscore pro. This is because we are getting the post associated with this category basically, and pro ID, pro get, pro brand, pro title, pro price, and things like that. This will be same, everything will be same. Other things we just need to change this to category, row pro to row get underscore pro. These are all variables, because now we have another variable here which is using MySQL fetch array to get data from the table. So I have changed this all. The rest of the things are okay. That should be the same. Control S to save. And now Okay, the name will be changed over here. Its name will be get pro. The name of the function I have changed. Now simply go to index page and go here where we have called the get brands. The same place we will simply say php get pro. No, sorry, this is not the place. It is here below, which is get pro. php get pro. So whenever if the category is not selected or brand is not selected, then this function will be called, I mean get pro. And if category is not selected, then this get pro function will be called, and if category is selected, this will be called, and we are also going to display the brands as well. So Ctrl S to save again and go to your page, refresh it. Now I will click laptops. When I click laptop, you can see only laptops are coming over here. I mean HP, Dell, and HP, and this kind of laptops. And above you can see in the address bar that index.php, the same page, but a dynamic URL has been created with the question mark cat is equal to 1. That's mean here we have product underscore cat inside the products folder, and one ID, there are three IDs, three product IDs, sorry, category IDs are 1 1 1. I mean three products are having the same category ID, so and they are being displayed over here in front of you when we click any of the category. So that's really simple. Now when we click cameras, there is only one product relevant to camera or associated with cameras. We click mobile, there are two. We click iPads, there is no product. And if we click computers, there is no product. We click iPhones, there is no product. And for no product, we can simply if there is no product, we can simply say here we'll simply count the products. Simply create a variable count underscore cats is equal to MySqli underscore number underscore rows, num underscore rows. That is a function basically, and we will give this run cat underscore pro. This is the query that we have run already. Sorry, yes, this one. So it will count whether there are I mean products associated with that category or not. So now we can simply say if count underscore cats is equal to 0, that's mean there is no product relevant to that category. Then inside the curly brackets we will simply echo, and inside the echo statement in this two in double quotes we will say h2, there is no product in this category, and h2 close. That's it. And in else statement, sorry, we need to just simply cut this from here, if statement, and put it here. Yes, after the while loop, I mean this data. And in else statement, else, and here is curly bracket, and a curly bracket will be down here. That's it. Control S to save. Very simple. We have given some data. Just refresh it. Above there. Equal to 0, count cats is equal to 0, there is no product in this category, else echo and there's that. Okay, run cat underscore pro MySQL number rows, count cats. Okay, give this that get underscore pro id. Told us to save. Now refresh. No, there is problem. Run underscore get underscore pro. This is basically refresh. The message is not coming here. The rest of the things are okay. There is no product. Else one, two, three, and 1, 2, 3. That is okay. There is no problem. I see here. Okay, we can do it there before here. We can exit it here. Exit is a command that we use if we don't want to execute the rest of the code. So I have saved. Now come here. Before that we have to also remove this thing, this else statement in its bracket. Control S to save. Come here, refresh the page, and you will see this is written there is no category, and we can use the else statement there. Else and the all here we can just simply close the else statement. Now refresh. Oh, this is also creating problem basically. So we can remove this whole. Control S to save, refresh it, and you can see there is nothing. If you click laptop, there will be laptops, there will be cameras, there will be mobiles, but when you click this, so there is nothing. So we wanted to show a message there. We need to actually will also display the count variable here, count cats. Control S to save, refresh. Actually the problem is in the counts variable. Anyways, we will look into this issue. There is a very small, I think, some kind of error, very small. It's not we are not getting that at the moment, but in next video we are coming and working on this or this brands, I mean the brands. So if someone clicks this any of the brands, so they can see the associated products with that, and also this is coming nicely. And if someone clicks this, I mean the index page, so by default there are 6 products displayed. Anyways, coming in next tutorial to teach you about the brands. Take care.